All right, guys. Good morning. Welcome to new pre-market analysis. So I'm a bit late. My alarm didn't went off at 6 a.m. So it was like 7 th something when I woke up. I was like, oh shit. So I'm a bit late. It is what it is. We're here. We're active, and we try to make the best out of it. So pre-market analysis. I'm gonna do a quick one because yeah, it's a bit late. But we got previous daily highs here. We got previous daily lows. Got previous week lows first of all still intact. That's good. And then we get previous daily lows here. Also, yesterday I tried to do as much as possible, but with 2 hours of sleep, it was tiring. So I didn't do any charting and just did some chores, did some easy work. Nothing major. So today we're back, we're ready, we're active, and let's get into it. So first of all, we can see that we broke above here. Quite interesting. Also, I'm leaving DXY on the site for now. You can look it up yourself because I got 12 minutes left to finish this to the most. So yeah. So we already took Asia highs. Took Asia lows. Asia highs still intact. We can actually see that this is an internal bullish break. We got a break here, return to discount, bullish break. So our last range is from this high down to this low. I need colors. I need colors. Do I need colors? Yeah. Actually, no, I can just watch it from here. So we got a bullish break now. That's realigning with this range. One bullish break, second bullish break. So ideally we want to long from somewhere over here, but they're not really areas of interest. So it's a bit, yeah. Hmm. Actually, I don't like this. Came below here. Got liquidity. Got some early buyers here, but not the cleanest. No, not really. Look at it. Yeah, really intricate. You got some early buyers here, but not like clean 5 minute early buyers. So, hmm. All right, I will take a look while trading at EU, but for now, I don't see any. Yeah, I see a 5 minute area like over here, but I don't trade 5 minute areas anymore. I want to see bigger areas. Now I see that we have some supply zone or demand zones over there, but they're not looking the cleanest either. Um, so yeah, I don't know, man. Hmm. Maybe I'm putting too much time pressure on myself right now as well. These are clear liquidity graphs. Oh, that one actually didn't come low. Oh, it did. So either they're equals or liquidity graph. There's too much conflicting structures. Got liquidity there. This is beautiful short there. Now we came above here, but barely broke to the upside. And now that we want to look for longs, there's no area to long from. Could maybe, yeah. Like this is a supply zone or demand zone, but I'm not feeling it, bruh. It's not what I'm looking for. All right, so for today, I don't know, with longs, I have no clear high time frame area I want to long from. I know that I want to long from somewhere in this area. I also know that this break was not the strongest break to the upside, and we still have this high that led to a new low, or this high that led to a new low. Uh, this was a nice impulse. This was quite correctional. Now we're a bit of nothing. So from that perspective, it's also a bit hard to decide where I want to go. What do I want to follow this range? Yes, but at the same time, we got some bullish structure going on over here. We got liquidity over here. Um, if we zoom out, we know that we reached into the discount pricing of this bullish leg as well. And we know that we want to reach higher on the dark blue structure as well. After this impulse, we now get correctional move to the downside on the daily. And now we actually want to see that impulse to continue up. So that makes it a bit harder to look for shorts. Now, sorry for my nose. If you go to DXY, you have bullish breaks here, bullish breaks. That's not really what we want to see as we're on AEU. We want to see higher pricing, would mean that we want to see low pricing on DXY. However, we know that the XY broke to the downside here. We now inside that premium pricing of that bearish range. And you could class this as a nah, so this is our first return to discount. So actually I'm saying I'm staying out today on EU. Can't line it up. Maybe if I look at it later, it will become more clear. But for now, I'm leaving EU. Although if you look at liquidity, I would say look for longs below previous daily low and shorts from above previous daily high. But then we gotta keep in mind that we have this high and those equals up here and then the trend line as well. So you want to be careful with that. GU wise, same story. Wait for these two to be taken. And we can look for longs below here. Short wise, you get a high, a low, potential lower high. No, potential lower low, but it's very correctional. I'm just not, maybe it's just me, but I'm just not seeing it today. And then more importantly, I'm not forcing it today. Huh. Honestly, I find it hard to see what I need to do, where I need to go now. Like this is all clear. This is all clear. We got one structure. What is this? We got a bullish structure, the red one that turned bearish. We are inside the premium of the bearish range, and we now can follow this internal range. There's reason to come to the downside as we have liquidity to the downside, and we just reached into the premium pricing of that most recent bullish leg. That's marked light blue. Now, inside that light blue, we have this bearish range, and inside that bearish range, we have a bullish range. Now we gotta hide it. Let's see a low, and that's just following bullish structure. So I want to follow that. I just don't know where to trade from over here. Now, one more thing I can see we can do is take this leg. That's actually interesting. It's quite large, but that's interesting. Bullish rig, bearish rig, continuation. And I'm actually gonna work with that. All right, gotta go, I gotta go, I gotta go. So we got 50% of that. I will be waiting for price to come into that 50% ideally. I know that we have 5-minute gaps here. Got one here, that one here. Uh, that's it. We got one there as well. So I want to see deeper pricing on that and then look for longs. And that's what I'm going with. If it's not clean, I'm not taking anything because you saw that I was hesitating to see where to trade from. So this is kind of my pre-market analysis. It's a bit messy because I'm not 100% clear. But yeah, it is like that sometimes. And the best thing to do then is stop and wait on the sideline. Now we got news as well this week because it's the first week of the quarter, first week of the month. So bank holiday again. Oh, it's 4th of July. Okay, so that's good as well. Then we got FOMC on Wednesday. Got unemployment. Oh, just red, red, red. All red. And then we got NFP on Friday. So that's it, guys. I would say stay patient, be careful, and take your trades. Peace out.